Looks like, I guess. Oh, looks like we're live. Hello and welcome to another Lemtopia session. How about that? So, what are we going to do today? So, we're going to press space and game one. I'm going to program my game live from scratch. Like I won't show all of the code, but I'll show the start of the game. Emacs. Let's open up Emacs. I mean, I can open like this. Let's open Emacs. Let's create a folder called code. Code. Let's go in code. Let's start making the. Let's do it. Since it is a game, I maybe will do it in C++. Let's import. Okay. So let's go. Include ao.h. Oh. I don't care about JSON. Emacs is kind of slow. Yeah, Emacs is slow. Why is that? So let me pop up this. Let me pop up this. Let's put it here. Okay, so we have here Emacs. Let's open a window. So for this project, I will be using Raylib. So include raylib.h. If I have Raylib here. Yeah, I have it. So let's create a window. So init window. So I want to do it the title will be my game will be called sausagecat. You will know why in a bit. So set target FPS, I guess. raylib.com. Let's go. Examples, basic window, set target FPS. What? What? 60. And let's close the window. I mean, let's do this. I'm with my old keyboard, by the way, so I may be slower. I was using another keyboard, but now I'm using my old keyboard. Should close. Okay, so begin drawing. Let's fill the screen with array white. So here background array white. Let's create a build.sh. So let's use Clang, because Clang is cool, I guess. It's code slash. I mean, it's not this. Okay, let's go here and let's go chmod build.sh. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? Yeah, okay, build.sh. Build.sh, it may work, it doesn't. So let's install glfw. So hang on a minute. Okay. Hang on. I can't try. I can't use my password. Okay. Sorry guys. I am installing now. So build.sh. Okay. We have here our, let me just yank. Okay. Let's, when we game, not GG game, we have here the thing, the window. So when we go here, and okay, we have here the things, and we should now make a player on the screen. So first I will create a defines.h variable, file, sorry. So let's type def a struct, def a struct. Let's create a actor t. So the actor will have a actor t, and the actor, let's do a scene t. The scene will have I kind of want to use data-oriented programming for this, so let's do game int positions. Let's define a number of maximum entities, max actors. Let's see, 9. I mean 5. Positions, max actor times 2. And we have here the positions. And yeah, now we can include and we can create a scene t. Scene t. Why? Scene t. Oh, struct scene t. Okay. I think it should work. Okay, it works. So let's Let's do scene dot positions 0 equals 69, then 1, I mean 1 equals 69 as well. Plus 42. And let's do 4. I mean, we should probably do int count. Or why? Int count. Count. Okay. Draw plus equals 2. Let's do this times 2. Draw rectangle. The position is scene count plus x, which is the scene dot positions I scene dot positions plus 1 plus 1. The width and the height will be 16 and the color will be red. And okay, it should build. So not GG, but. And we have an instance, okay. So let's try making a 2. So let's scene dot positions 2 equals 0. Scene dot positions 3 equals 12. Well. Okay, when we run, we have 2 instances. So we have the instances here. And let's try making these boxes. X, Y, width, and height. And let's change from positions to boxes. 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 Okay. Now this will be a problem because we need positions. Boxes. Boxes. Plus 1. Boxes. Scene dot boxes. I plus 2. And scene dot boxes. I plus 3. Well, I mean, okay. So let's organize this better. Let's do this, 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 and this. Okay. But let's try 80 and 12. Okay, we have here the box. Let's try making another box. So 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 69, 89. Let's try 82 and 30. And we have here 2 boxes. Okay. I have here a way of representing instances. So now maybe we should represent a player. So define player. First box sc 4 size. Let's change it to box size. Box size. Let's represent the player. So let's see. 2 hello people. And let's represent the player. So let's try creating a player index. So define player index 0. Sorry about my keyboard, it is not really good, but I like it. So, and let's define a function called, let's try to make it just move right. So boxes, let's first get out of this. So scene dot player index, player index plus plus, and let's make the width increase. Sorry, the width increase as well. So let's +2, and the height as well. Well, let's double the height. So +3. Let's double the height. So if we do this, we run, it errors because we are doubling things. So plus equals 2. Oh, we can do this, and it works. But I want to make it something interesting. So if we only do this, it moves, and we have here the moving thing. And let's try to make it move when we press a key. So I wonder how can we detect key down. I think it's get key down, a keyboard key, right key, basic screen manager, 2D camera. Let's try is key down. So if so int move x equals is key is key down, key right minus is key down, key left plus equals move x. Okay, when we play, it moves, but the movement is crap because it is bad. So let's try how about we increase. Oh, hello Gigi Fazo. This is Raylib. Raylib is really cool. I really like Raylib. I'm still learning it, but I really sorry, I really like it. Sorry if my English is kind of bad sometimes. I'm kind of overwhelmed with external stimuli, the chat, the screen, the Raylib website. Oh, okay. we're together on this boat. So let me see the website of Twitch. The problem is I don't have alerts going on, but I'll see here. So okay, so let's try to. Oh, you said thanks for the info. No problem. So I want to create a how can I say it? Let's try to make it a float thing. So we can, and we just like transform it to integer. And let's try to make a acceleration. So I want to try to make an acceleration. So I'll create a global acceleration. Fine, player ACC 0.12. Player ACC. We have here, and we see that, I mean, it's not a acceleration. We are just doing this. We are just moving by this. So I think I should make a dx, a delta x. So let's integrate. I think it's integration, right? So let's do int dx, a float dx equals 0. I am doing data-oriented programming, so I am still learning how to do it, but I like the idea of it. So dx and dx plus equals to x times player acceleration. Now let's do dx if move x 0. Let's just slowly make dx be divided by 100 and multiplied by 9. And when we do, whoa, this is cool. But the acceleration is crap. So I want to tweak this for a little bit. So let's maybe do 69, because why not? And let's define player max speed 4. Thank you, GG Fazo. But I think it is cool, but the problem is it can be like infinitely fast. So we can do if I don't have a clamp function, I guess, but let's do it like this: if x greater than player max. How did I define max speed x equals player max speed. But we need to do it for the other side as well. This is getting complex, so I think we should create a function for it. But let's just test. And it is kind of working. Yeah, it is working. It's just my computer that is kind of slow. But it is working. And we have our thing. But this is not what we want to do. So what is the idea of my game? My game is not a game, it's a grid-based game. So I don't want this. Yeah, surprise. So this was just test. and I want to do 42, and let's create a function called a void function called date layer. And let's give it a scene t. So I'm making a, I mean, we don't do this in here, but we do this, have the main, and let's create it. So we can update the players. So we do, let's do for test, let's scene boxes layer index plus plus. It's the same program from the beginning, but now we are doing it like in a function, so it should be alright. Update layer. Is the movement also grid based, or are there things? Oh, the movement is grid based, but like it will, my plan is to interpolate, so we like it doesn't just, let me actually show you. So actually we don't just hop from a tile to another, we smoothly go, you know. And yeah, but this is just the basic thing. uh Sorry, my enter is bad, but we have the player working. But now let's make it plus equals x. Let's do int x equals x times scene dot boxes player index plus 2. So this is the width. So I have here is key down again, but now is key pressed again. I mean, because we only check it for the first thing. For the first frame it is pressed. Key right minus is key pressed. But how is your day, GG Fazo? Did you spend your time with your loved ones in this Christmas, or if you don't celebrate it, did you have a good time and other things? Sorry if the question is kind of weird, but did you have a good time this day? That's what I mean. So we have here it works, and we have here the thing. Oh, okay. My day's going great. I had lunch with my family, and I ate like chocolate. Not a chocolate, but a chocolate me. I don't know how to say it in non-Portuguese in English. So this is what I did. I ate. It's a coffee with banana and chocolate, and I ate that, and I'm so happy because I love sweet stuff. But anyways, we have here. Let's try to do the same with this as a height. Oh, thank you by your kindness. Kindness, you're so kind. Down, up. have here 3. Okay, +1, +1, and now we have the dy, and now we have the whole movement. So we have here the movement, and we can move. That is how movement works, I guess. So yeah, let's try to make it better. So I kind of want to create a function, a variable called dx and dx, but it will be an integer, and of int dy. So now look at this. This is cool. So if x is seen boxes layer, I mean, I should like create variables for this. Int x equals seen boxes layer index. And now let's create the y one. So why I am doing that? Because I want smooth movement. So yeah, this will work, and like this will remain. But what I want to do is I want to move x and move y, move e. And if x modulo scene boxes layer x 2 0 and y, I mean, I should get a should make it int. They should make this int. So what does this mean? Let me finish and I'll explain. Okay, scene boxes layer yeah, I'll explain, but let me just do this. I mean, I don't need. So what is this symbol right here? This is a modulo. So we have here example 6 divided by 4. It will be a fractional thing, but let's treat it as an integer, and let's get the rest of it. So what do I mean? So 6 divided by 4. How times 4 is in 6? So it's 1. So it's 1, and the remaining is 2. So we get the remainder of the division. So have here the x, and if the x is the remainder of the x by the width is equal 0, so if it fits perfectly, or in other words, if the x is divisible integer, it's wholly divisible by the width. So if the x is in a tile, we have here, and y is the same thing, then we set the move x, dx equals move x, and dy equals move y. So this basically checks if we are on the tile, and then if we are, we set the velocity. And I did not make it good, I guess. Why? Let's see. Yeah, I kind of I made it bad. So let's try to. Oh, hang on. I should this will not affect this at all, but let's just, oh, sorry. So yeah, uh, the thing is technically working, but the only problem is that I did not make it correctly. But the algorithm should work if my enter key works. But let's try doing this. Oh, dx is the movement. So dx is the velocity. Is the so every frame dx x, the player x is like incremented or decremented by the x, which is basically the velocity. So in physics we have the position and we have the velocity. The velocity is an integration of the position. I'll stop getting mathy, but the position is changed by the velocity, and move x is basically a thing that, like, how can I explain it? The move x is basically the input. Sorry, it's the input. So if we press a certain key, it will be a certain value. It's basically a movement axis. I'm bad at explaining, and I want to be a teacher, so yeah, it's kind of. So let's see why is not work. It is not working. Let's try to move it as. Let's try to make it ints again. Let's try to make it int again. So let's try to make it as ints again. Now let's try to get a even thing. So 32 and 32. Yeah, it may be that. Let me see. Dx and dy to int, yeah, dx equals 0. Yeah, makes sense because dx and dy are not like working properly. So oh, dx and dy. I really don't know why, but how much do you, for how long do you code? GG Fazo. Oh, I am so dumb. It is working. I just made a tiny little mistake. But okay, I just made the initial position not work. But it works. Yay. We have here, and it's tiling. So what should I do? First, let's change it to ski down. Change to its key down. Sorry, it's key down. I am I am not productive with Emacs. Sorry, down, but I like it. It's key down. So this will do the same thing. I personally count a scratch because you're technically, and yeah, you are using logic and computers to solve a problem. So yeah, this is coding. But let's try to make it a little bit better. Let's try to create a grid. I mean, let's try first to make this better, like this thing here. So everything is standardized. I'm waiting for my enter key to work. But okay, we have here the movement, and we have, I made it so when we hold the button, the key, it like keeps moving and snaps to a certain, like the next tile. I just made it so it's key down. It's like this is, I did not come with this up by myself, but this is really cool. Like, I really love this tiny little a solution to the problem. Have here the player, but yeah, technically speaking, since oh yeah, to be fair, I started programming when basically in 2018 too, but I started for real in 2020 as well. uh, when I was 2018, I was using, I said it in the last stream. I was using the Pascal language. It's a really old language, Pascal. I was using the Pascal Zin compiler, which is that old thing. Just this. This is the Pascal Zin compiler. And I was using it, and I was loving it, to be honest. Was loving it. But it wasn't. It is good. It is cool for learning purposes, but I wouldn't use Pascal. I wouldn't teach Pascal. I would teach or use Scratch, like you used. But do you still work with Unity? Because things happen. I never was a fan of Unity. Oh, okay. I never was a fan of Unity, but the thing is, I tried to learn it literally the day before the shit happened. The payment stuff happened. Like it was one day before. Yeah, yeah. That's cool. That's cool. Where did you move though? Or like your what engine or what framework? Oh, oh, now we're talking. C++ and SDL2. SDL, I like SDL as well. So I have a video on my channel if you want to check out. It's a short video, YouTube. I made a little thing with SDL. It was not a finished thing at all, but I am kind of proud of it. Kinda. Oh, sorry, not that. Sorry, I guess you saw my email. Accessory seu canal, but you know it's here. It's here the video. Let's do this. If you want to see, or you can watch in the stream, you know. But I made this little thing. The thing. Let me see the. Where is it? Here. It is here. I'll watch it. Okay. But it's basically I made a renderer from scratch in SDL. So I not a complete renderer, but I made a so I can like procedurally put pixels whenever I want without calling the pixel function. I have a pixel array, and I could do anything with it. Actually, I think I have it right here. Let me just search it. If my enter key works, you know. Here, my stuff. Backups. Let's search. It's called Hex Plus. I I kind of want to okay, it's here. It's here. Documents, passo pessoal, dev stuff. I can do this and I can do this and I can go like I can open a new terminal and see the uh, exploits and I can exploits game here. Oh my god, the textures are not here. Let's ls cd hexploits. Oh, because we are not in the folder. Okay, that should work. Okay, we have here the textures. Yeah, these images are kind of load from scratch, so I was really happy when I figured that out. The line algorithm too. I kind of don't have anything else. It's just a ball that moves. But yeah, I made it from my own. So I was actually inspired by Handmade Hero, the GigaChat Casey Muratori. I love him. He's such a good programmer. Handmade Hero here. So if you ever want to code on Windows, like without SDL, you should check this out because this is really cool. Just for educational purposes, I tried to code a game in Win32 actually 3 days ago. I made basically the same thing as I did with that prototype, the ball prototype. And yeah, Casey Muratori is. Do you know Jonathan Blow, the braid guy? Jonathan Blow made a game called The Witness. Okay, so Casey was the graphics. I think he was the graphics programmer of this game, so he made the the API things, and I don't know about Casey's work, but I like Casey's lectures. I am kind of a poser, but I really like the way he teaches. This stream is inspired by Handmade Hero, to be honest. That's how much I like it. I like it and I like him, like as an educator. So okay, now let's do something. So the game is called sausagecat, and the reason of that, the reason behind that is that the cat is a sausage, so it's kind of Monkey D. Luffy from One Piece. It can stretch. It's kind of a game from it's a game from Nitron. I was not inspired by the game at all, but a friend called is Crazy Sausage. The game is kind of similar. Crazy Sausage Nitron. So yeah, Silly Sausage. We have here the Silly Sausage. It's a dog that goes like this, and my game is kind of like that. So what should I do? I should if move x close. I should do this and move x and move y. And now when I do this, I should do scene.count. That's good. Since you have, then you can, yeah. I actually made a prototype in Game Maker of the game. Because I am a Game Maker programmer. Yes, people get paid to code Game Maker stuff. But I am a a game maker programmer, and I do this for a living, and I am familiar with the engine. So I made a prototype in it, but since it's on Windows, I don't have the access here because I'm on Linux. That's why I'm using Raylib, because I like Linux better than Windows. I People can say, "Oh, Game Maker has a Linux version," but it's not ready yet. And I want to learn low-level programming or lower-level programming, and that's why I'm moving to Raylib and SDL when I want to do lower level stuff. When assembly, then I actually tried to code things in assembly, but it's not a 8086 assembly. It's actually 6502 assembly. The Atari assembly. I tried to do something with it, and I actually have a not a 6502 in my house. I have two Z80 CPUs. I have physical Z80 CPUs, which it's the ZX Spectrum thing. It's that one. I have two of these, and but I need to learn assembling and soldering to make a computer with it. But assembly is not too like doing cool stuff in assembly is difficult, but like understanding the opcodes is not hard. It's harder than programming languages, but it isn't like as people say it is. So, oh, I guess it is not working. Oh, sorry. I kind of make the max sectors here 69 just for sure. Nope. Let's try. Why it isn't working? Why it isn't working? Just to be sure. Yeah. I don't know why, but wait, what isn't working? It should be like Snake. It should like make a trail. It should make a trail. Let's try doing this. Oh, I think I got something. What the hell? What was this? Oh, I don't, because I have here the max exercise, so it should work, but it isn't. I don't know why, because I have the fixed size. No, it's okay, it's okay. I need to figure that out. Oh, plus equal. Oh, I got it. Times 4. Yay! It works. So this is the mechanic about behind the game. You are a sausage cat. Ooh, yay. Ooh, yeah. So I do this, and I player index index. Let's make the head of the player a different color. And let's do it a blue. Blue. Okay, and we have here the snake, which is a cat. But the problem is you can self-intersect. So let's solve it by collisions. Yay. Let's try to snail, which is a cat inspired by a dog made by a human. Yeah, snake. Yeah. the perfect game. So yeah, let's see if anybody's here. Okay. Hang on, I'll get a little bit of coffee. Be right back. Okay? Be right back. Okay, hello. Are you still there, guys? I guess. Okay. So I got coffee? No. Okay. It's hot. But let's work on the collision. Let's work on the little collision. What should we do? It will be a kind of a grand if statement, but oh my god. If so, let's try again. If let's move times I mean I should probably define a tile size 32. So move x times tile size. So if we are checking the tile that we are going to go, tile size, and or mm, I I I will try to I know it won't work now. It won't work now because we need to do tiles scene scene. So I am trying to do this x tile x. So scene, I am trying to do a tile map. Scene tiles y. Oh, so close. So let's create a tile. So int tiles. Width. Width. Height. So let's define. Yeah, it is exactly that. It's actually that. Fine. Fine. Width. Uh. But we have a problem. Let's see if we can cast that. Oh, yes. So we have here. Let's see. Width times height. What is wrong here? Nothing. Let's try if okay. Files. Yeah. I love this. Of course I love this. Oh, but we have a problem. Uh let's try y. let's just YY and XX because I do not have patience. So oh my god, wait. Int int the enter problem is not the IDE's fault, the Emacs fault. It's my keyboard. So let's try YY times width plus XX YY plus move Y times width. So let's see. Tap in. Wait, hang on. Wouldn't structs for tiles instead of array of ints? Oh, I am actually trying to learn a thing called data-oriented programming. I am still new to it, so I don't know much about it. Oh, sorry, I'm typing the wrong thing. So what is data-oriented programming? To my perception, as a beginner in that field, is basically doing data-oriented programming is doing like instead of struct of a array of structs, so we have each tile as a struct, we have all data in arrays inside a struct. So yeah, this is basically what I am learning. We have here plus move I. So this will not work. I'm sorry to break it for you, but this will not work. This will not work because we are not doing it right. But okay. Yeah, I am not sorry. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's just for a for int I equals 0. Let's just 0 for just to be sure. Let's 0 scene scene tiles. Wait, oh, sorry. It's not a pointer here. Oh shit, this actually works. Kinda works. Yeah, the only thing is the diagonals. Let's see. Oh, sorry. The only thing is the diagonals. Yeah, the only thing is the diagonals. And this. Yeah, works enough. That works enough. So let's try. Oh, let's try to draw a rectangle. Let's see the biggest enemy. Rectangle line. Lines. Okay, draw rectangle lines. So let's try for I width I plus plus Oh my god. Height. And now it's J. Yay. Draw. Draw. And there's the pos X. Where's because the IDE don't work, so 2 I times tile size 2 times tile tile size. Oh, let's just 32 and black. Bulk black. Let's, before fixing the diagonals, let's do this. Blood. Okay, fair enough. Let's try going here. And okay. Yeah, we can just add a couple of mines. It's Minesweeper. But okay. Let's see. So the first one, it is not working. It is not working, but I don't care because in the game we will not have this amount of space, so we will not go here. So yeah, let's see. If I mean let's not do this, but I think the player should go here. The drawing player thing should go here. But okay, we have here the basic thing. Let's do a dark gray. Let me just get a little bit of coffee, like sip it. So good. Okay, have here the player, but this is really ugly, so I will put this like here before. So where are you from, Digifazo? Where are you from? Could you tell me, please? You want? Okay. Pain, but pains. Spain. Oh, Spain. Okay, Spain. My uncle went to Spain a long time ago. He said it was cool. So yeah, it's cool to stream in English because you have an international community. And okay, wait, okay, something went wrong, but let's just make the game design completely avoid it. Okay, so we have here the game, and the worst thing will be rendering the snake, because the cat snake thing. But we have here, like, we need some kind of auto tile, so we have here, we need to do this and make this auto tile, because we don't know if the player, like, we want to auto tile. That's what I'm saying. But okay, we have here the thing. So yeah, we did a lot today. We really did a lot. 1 hour. I do you guys want to continue, like, developing? Because, like, I think it is good, but do as you please. Oh, I was saying, like, I was thinking, like, you guys do as you please, you know. But okay, let's continue for a little bit of time. And let's try to make let's try to just do something here. Let's let's just color 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 equals dark gray. If oh, better. I thought of something better. Dark gray. Okay, it's dark gray, and dark gray, and if scene dot tiles, tiles, not ties. Okay, times width plus I. This is just a thing to make the array be x the position the right position. So scene dot tiles equals 0. Else we just draw a rectangle. So let's try again. And okay. Interesting. Yeah, interesting. Interesting. This is interesting. But let's not render the tail. How about that? Let's just not the tail but the body. And if we do this, technically it is working. Yeah, kinda working. That's so weird. Yeah, it is weird. Let's see. Plus XX CXX. Oh, I am actually doing something weird here. That's my fault. So now it is working. I am setting 2 tiles at a time. So now it is working, I guess. Let's try here. Yeah, it is working. That's working. Okay. But yeah, we have here the little thing, the little cat, snake, and we have basically decoded the game. Now give me money, please. But okay. So let's try to make it let's for I think I should make it for the next stream. For the last thing I want to do is actually do this, and tar cf cf is for compress, right? Game 1 game sc as raylib r.exe. Oh, sorry, I messed the wrong order. Let's see, tar position. Oh my god, tar oh, okay, seems simple enough. Yeah, wait, how to how to are how to use tar Linux, how to compress and blah blah blah. Okay, stuff. Okay, game 1. Is that it? Is that it? Wait, is that it? Nautilus. Okay. Let's see here. Let's open this. Oh my god. It is that. Work. Yay. Okay, we have here the thing. Okay, so okay. That was a great stream. Oh, hang on. Oh, hello Stoke. 4 minutes ago. Thank you for following. I didn't see here, but okay, thank you so much for following. Unfortunately, I will need to end the stream. Oh, why I am stalking? Sorry, why I'm stalking? But okay. Thank you for being here, and maybe I'll be here later. But oh, thank you, Gigi Fazo. Thank you a lot. I hope you become get here like for the other stream. But basically, I don't have a regular stream schedule, but I try to stream like when I have free time. So that's basically after my work, which is late at beginning of the night. But okay, thank you. Bye bye.